Holy shit, that was so close. I nearly just lost like $2,500 drone. Holy shit.
You wasted my time on you. I'm a freaking you wasted my time on you.
Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you guys have been super well, and yeah, back again with another bit of a video this time around. I think Sydney's just been hit with a massive set of swell, so I'm not 100% sure what we're going to do, but I'm meeting up with the same sort of crew as last time. I think it's Chester, Angus and Matt, and I think a few other boys are coming as well. So yeah, let's get down there. Oh, there's so much shit in the back of my car that I do not need. Oh, I whacked my head, that fucking sucked.
Awake all night, I need you. Awake all night, I need you. Awake all night, I need you.
I was supposed to be there about 10 minutes ago, and look, I'm about 20 minutes away. Terrible time management for me. Sorry, boys. Oh, my hat! Ah! I just lost my hat. Holy shit, I just lost my hat. Ah! Ah! I just lost my hat. Legit. Blew off my head. It is so windy. Oh! Holy shit, it is windy. Oh my god. Oh no. Should I just crash land it? I'm just crash landing it. Fuck it. I'm just crash landing it. I'm just crash landing it. Go in the bushes. I don't even care. Just get in the fucking bushes. Oh, what the hell was that? Holy shit! Holy shit! Is it alright? Dude, it still works. Bro, it still works. Oh my god, that had to be the scariest thing I have ever been a part of my whole entire life. I legit thought I'd lost my $2,500 drone just then. Holy shit! Dude, I am shaking like a leaf after that. Legit, that was almost my $2,500 drone gone. That was scary as hell. This guy's still got enough balls to be up in the air.
It's sort of, oh, I don't know. Yeah.
These waves. Oh, what is happening? Oh my god! Bro, drone gone. Is he gonna catch it? Oh, don't chop your fingers off. Oh! 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 No way! Yeah! Round two. Hopefully this Mavic 2 can get up in the air because my Phantom could not seem to do it. I really fucking hope this works. This is insane. My hair is probably straight back right now. Holy shit. Now, as crazy as that shoot was and how badly it probably could have gone, it still probably was one of the funniest / fun shoots I've done in a long time. Being around those sort of creators on the same level of you, if not a little bit better, and being able to learn from them and take little bits and pieces that they've been telling you that you then learn and build from, and then not only that, but then have them be really genuine, nice guys, is something that is hard to find, but when you find it in this sort of space, this creative space, it's so powerful and uplifting, and it just promotes so much good work. And with that, guys, after almost losing my drone and managing to put up the second one, I actually have some pretty insane photos. This first photo I managed to get, it was actually actually a combination of two photos. The first photo was I had the pool majorly in the first frame, waiting for the wave to hit the front of the pool and create that splash effect which you see in the bottom right hand corner. And I wasn't expecting it to be that big. Some of the waves were hitting it, they were going at least 30 meters up in the air, and this one I reckon was pushing that big time. And the second photo I got was a bit more of the pool at the bottom half of the frame and had a bit more of the horizon level and the sky, so I could capture both the sky and the pool in one photo. If you haven't seen how I do this in Lightroom, guys, go check out my last video. The link will be in the description below. It shows you how I merge photos together in Lightroom to create this vertical panorama effect. So this second photo I was able to get was a bit more of a top-down photo of the pool itself. Having waited till a wave was just crashed over the pool and having it pretty much half engulfed in this level of whitewash I've never really seen before was pretty unreal. And having it just at sunset with that level of golden sort of tones pushing at the top of the image and the long shadows of the rocks, it just makes it look like one of the perfect levels of like sunset photography for drones out there. I thoroughly enjoyed this little photo, capturing it and editing it. And with that, guys, I really appreciate you guys tuning in for another video and sticking out to the end. If you guys did enjoy today's video, please leave a like. And if you guys would like to see more, please subscribe. And until then, guys, peace.